Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the clap finding capability on your phone. Open the built-in setting or the app, then grant microphone and background listening permissions so detection works when locked. Once done, choose a recognition pattern, single clap or 2 quick claps, and set sensitivity to avoid false triggers. Make sure to exclude private zones where claps may be ignored. Test immediately with a short trial to confirm the phone hears you and responds to the configured pattern. Now you calibrate and refine detection. You should clap from several common locations: pocket, couch, kitchen counter, and run 3 to 5 trials. If the phone misses claps, increase sensitivity. If it reacts to TV or traffic, lower sensitivity or change the clap pattern. Make sure the chosen response is noticeable. Set ringtone volume, enable flashlight blink, or a spoken phrase. Once detection is reliable, save the profile and repeat tests. With the phone, to find your phone, clap the exact pattern you configured and listen for the ringtone or watch for the flashlight blink. If the phone doesn't respond, immediately check microphone permission, disable battery saver, and confirm the app can run in background or on lock screen. Once you've adjusted settings, try a different clap cadence or move closer. If problems persist, restart the phone or reinstall the app. That usually clears permission or service conflicts and restores reliable detection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.